a Portuguese Christmas table with a wonderful flair of sweet desserts, and it starts with canja or canjinha, a chicken soup, just like my mom makes. The kitchen is busy and everybody talks at the same time. And now Mums is commanding all of the right tips for us to help and for her to make the canjinha. Just to annoy everyone, I'm just asking my mom to go slowly because I want to film everything. And she's not up to it because she has a schedule, she has to keep it, and she's not in the mood. It is a very simple chicken broth where we add eggs and it's just delicious. And boom, it's done. What do you think? We always buy an organic chicken with eggs inside that we're going to use for this soup. What do you think? Have you ever seen it before? Let me know in comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like, to comment, because he's going to have the hottest tips for the Christmas holidays. Join us around the table. You're invited. And from my family to yours, we wish you a very Merry Christmas, and everything is served with love. And bon appetit, happy holidays.
Mamãe, só a mamãe que teve libras.
Tão engraçado.